All right. Okay, this is your home, Mama. Welcome to your home. Feel free. Feel at home, come on. If you need anything, don't hesitate to ask me, okay? This is your home. Come right in. Let's go in.
Madam, don't bring another house girl. Hey, but this one they too small now. This one a small girl. What think this one go fit do? Make I see whether this one go fit give me waiting go belly for me where. God win, God win. I go see what this one go do. Hey.
I like that sound. Jesus Christ. You're welcome to your new home, my darling. Yes. As you can see, the place is so beautiful. And I'm glad you scream Jesus Christ and you pick up your dirty shoes and carry them in your hands.
This place is like heaven.
Yes, indeed. It's like heaven. Yes, you see this couch? You see how clean everywhere is and sparkling. You see how neat the place is. I'll never want to see you lay on this couch.
No, I cannot stay there. The ground is low. The ground is very fine.
Yes, you know your class. Of course you know your class. You know where you belong. You know you belong to the ground. And as you can see, you touch it. There are no dusts. Everywhere is sparkling. This house needs to be mopped every day.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to dust everything, the television, the couch, and I would never ever want to see you lie on this couch. Because if you do, you will have me to contend with. Am I understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now let me take you to your room. Follow me. Be a good girl.
Will my dream ever come true? Will my dream ever come true? It's all I'm asking. It's all I'm asking.
Oh my goodness. Sweetness. Oh.
So, how was the day?
Very well, and yours?
Oh, bless God. Oh, bless God.
Yeah, good to have you. Oh, sweetness, guess what?
What?
Guys. Okay. I brought in a man.
But we discussed we don't need a maid for now. So why?
We need help. We need help, sweetness. You're working. I'm equally working, so we do not have time to do other things at home. So we need a maid.
It's okay. So, where is she?
And she's on vacation, making us she's
Good evening.
Yeah, good evening. How are you?
Ma, the food is ready.
Oh, the dinner is ready.
What is her name?
Oma, yes.
Oma. It's okay. You allow me to come in before you.
No, finish.
Hello, baby. For God's sake, why should you be calling me by this time of the night? Huh? Yes, I miss you too, but I've warned you not to call me by this time of the night. You want to create troubles. Do you want to? God, please don't call me again. I beg you, don't call me again. Good night. Yes, I love you. I love you. I love you. Bye. Bye. Ah.
Will my dream ever come true? Will my dream? Will my dream ever come true? Will my dream? It's all I'm asking. It's all I'm asking. Will my dream ever come true? Will my dream? Will my dream ever come true?
Mama.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning. Mama, I've seen how the prepared you are in your house troubles.
Yes.
That's good, very interesting. It's okay, that shows the good. I want to tell you that whatever you need, just name it. I wouldn't want you to be in want of anything at all. Okay?
What's going on here?
Yes, honey. Nothing exactly, just asking her some basic questions, you know. So like I was saying, hence you cooperate, do your normal house chores, you will have no problem with her and my wife, okay?
Yes, sir.
And you will be happy.
Yes, sir.
So
There you go again. To work with a breakfast.
come on, I need to leave. Duty calls.
Of course.
Yeah, that's my baby.
Yeah. Love you.
Love you, ma. Oh my God. Right.
You want to chase me out of my husband's house? Do you want to chase me out of my husband's house?
No, man.
So what are you trying to do? My husband going to work without breakfast?
I'm sorry, man.
You're sorry. Now, go into that kitchen and prepare breakfast right away.
Okay.
Busy doing nothing. Rubbish. Honey, die safe, okay?
Put it there. Oh my goodness. God, you just blessed me with the most beautiful woman in this whole world. Wow. Okay, Nate. What is happening? What is happening?
I know.
You will kill me one of these days.
Don't you want to die like this?
Baby girl.
Cute. What's going on? What's going on here? What?
Ma, it was a mistake, ma.
You broke my plate?
I'm sorry, ma. It was a
Since you came into this world, have you seen anyone in your family that have gotten this kind of plate? Have you even used this kind of plate to eat in your life? And then you break my plate. You're telling me sorry.
It was a mistake, ma.
It's a mistake. Yeah, I understand. It was a mistake. So me too, I'm going to make the same mistake on you. You know, you break my plate, you stupid girl! You break my plate. You're crying, right? You've not started. I'm going to make that same mistake on you right now. Eh? Mistake. 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 Mistake.
When I think of what I'm going through, it seems I'm losing all my hopes. I wonder if this is my fate. Keep on acting the mighty God. With this my dream ever come true. With this my dream ever come true. Will my dream ever come true? Will my dream ever come true? All I'm asking, all I'm asking,
Let us retire to.
As you wish.
God. Oh, God just blessed me with the most beautiful woman.
You can say that again, baby. Come here.
Oh, can't wait to come.
Oh.
You know what? I want to tell you that you are the second person coming into this office since the establishment of this place. The only person that knows the way to this office is my secretary.
Okay.
I come in here only when I want to do thanks job, like disbursement of funds to my various companies. And all that.
I know, don't worry.
Today, as a special person, you are here.
Baby.
Come on. Baby, you're looking heavier. Looking heavier.
Babe.
A kiss for baby. That used to amaze me. That's my angel. Come.
Babe.
I can't.
Oh, good.
Wait.
Maybe for good thing. I promised me 5 million.
5 million?
Yeah, 5 million.
Just 5 million? Wait, but is it because of 5 million you've just put a pause to this. Do you know what you just done? The small boy was about to come up. Immediately you breached this movement, the small boy tried to come down.
5 million.
It's okay, so that you know you want that. You know that, isn't it?
Of course.
I actually promised you 5 million, but at this point, I will make it 10 million.
Are you serious?
I will make it 10 million.
Yeah,
I'll make it 10 million. I'll make it 10 million. Honey, I'm eating already. Honestly, I'm very famished.
I'm coming, darling. Sorry for wasting your time. Oh, you're already eating. We're waiting for your love. Come on.
Sorry for being there before you.
This soup looks delicious.
Very delicious.
Oh, really? Let me have a taste.
Honey, what is it?
Oma, did you pour all the salt we have in this house into the soup?
No, ma, I didn't put much salt, ma.
Why are you telling me that my taste bud is not functioning anymore?
No, ma, I didn't say that, ma. I'm sorry, ma.
So what happened?
It's just a little salt.
Come on, taste it.
So that please, what salt are you talking about? It's just salty. This food is very yummy and delicious.
Oh, really?
So where is the salt in question coming from?
Hey, it's delicious. It's fine. Be careful so that you won't have a liver problem. Oh yeah, that's his food. That's it.
When I think of what I'm going through, it seems I'm losing all my hopes. Yeah, I wonder if this is my fate. Oh no, I keep on asking the mighty God. Oh yeah, will this my dream ever come true? Will this my dream ever come true? Will my dream ever come true? Will my dream ever come true? It's all I'm asking. It's all I am asking. Oh.
Sir, do you need anything?
Come on, Oma. Oma, do you know you're very beautiful? Huh? Do not mind my wife. She's just being unnecessarily wicked. I don't know her. But for me, you are my baby, okay?
Oma, you're still on the stage washing.
Ma, I'm done washing. I'm just arranging them.
Okay, since you're arranging them, once you're done arranging them, you make me something delicious to eat.
Okay.
I'm off to pick up something at the junction. I'll be right back. Okay?
Yes.
Make sure there is not too much salt.
Yes.
Thank you.
When I think of what I'm going through, it seems I'm losing all my hopes. Yeah, I wonder if this is my fate. Oh no, I keep on asking the mighty God. Oh yeah, will this my dream ever come true?
was the dress I told you about now for my photo shoot that is coming up. Do you like it?
Well, it's fine.
But which color do you really prefer? This one.
I think I like this.
Okay. Thank you. Babe, I was meant to tell you that the doctor's appointment is scheduled for tomorrow.
And then, what about it?
We have to go there together now.
Sorry, baby. Sorry to disappoint you. I will not have the time. I'm very busy tomorrow in the office. Why look at me like that? Excuse me. Good night.
Mama, where are you? Where are you? Why did you leave me in this wicked world? If you weren't here, I would not be suffering like this. I would be suffering like this. Why did you leave me? Where are you, Mama? Where are you? Why did you leave me alone in this world? Why did you leave me? If you're with me, I'm going to be going through everything I'm going through now. I will not be suffering like this. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where did you leave me? Oh my God. If I hear I won't be suffering. I won't be suffering like this. I won't be passing through all this pain. I won't be going through everything I'm going through now.
Jesus! Okay, shut up. I said shut up.
Okay, leave my room now. I'll shout though.
Shout what?
Leave my room.
So this useless girl is still sleeping. Oh, I know what to do.
Jesus Christ!
Jesus, kill you there! It's 5 a.m. and you're still sleeping. Eh? You're still sleeping by 5 a.m.
I'm sorry, ma.
You're sorry. Come on, will you get up from this bed?
I'm sorry.
Idiot. Stupid and useless girl. Good for nothing for you. Sleeping up till 5 a.m. Idiot.
Baby.
Yes, honey.
Sometimes, I want to differentiate baby and baby. Baby
Anybody choose.
baby. The last time we had this thing, I don't know. Did you go for extra training? Where did you get that from?
I actually want to be sweet for you.
Anyway, that's by the way. You said you want to tell me something.
Yeah. I'm sure you would like to hear it.
Wow, anything coming from you should be good.
Okay. I'm pregnant.
Come again.
I said I'm pregnant.
You're kidding me. Come on.
No, I am. Yeah, I'm pregnant.
As in you're pregnant?
Yeah, I'm pregnant.
Are you really pregnant for Chief Ndoka?
Chief Ndoka, I am pregnant for you.
Wait, you're kidding me, right?
No, I'm not. I'm actually pregnant.
Okay. Yeah, you are pregnant. Yes, I've heard that. But are you pregnant for Chief Ndoka?
I am pregnant for Chief Ndoka.
My baby sawa lele, sawa le, sawa le, ashawo, ashawo, sawa le, sawa le, sawa le, ashawo. My baby sawa lele, sawa.
Hey, young man. So you're this stupid. I asked you. Are you really stupid?
I'm sorry.
What kind of nonsense is this? Why would you bring in deadly infected water into my house?
Sorry, my
What is wrong with you? What is smelling. What's going on here? I hope she did not take it. Of all the work I have in this house, you choose to use a technically infected water to work my house. I'll so deal with you. This is your stupid, rubbish, nonsense girl. I'll so deal with you. Don't worry. I'll deal with you. I'm coming for you. This is stupid. I'll show you how to be stupid.
It's okay. Think about it and get back to me.
There is nothing to think about. See you.
Mama, this torture is too much. The pain is too much for me. I'm afraid if this is going to continue like this, I would have to come and join you. The pain is too much for me to bear. And so much hatred. So much pain, so much torture. The hatred is too much. The torture is too much. I'm afraid if things are going to continue like this, I'm going to come and meet you. I'll come and meet you there. Oh, Mama. The pain is too much. The pain is too much. The torture is too much. Mama. Mama, please. Torture is too much. It's too much. Pain is too much for me to bear.
You just have your way of making me happy.
Of course. That's why I am your wife.
That's my darling. And babe, that reminds me, I have not told you this. I have a distant cousin that will be coming down, from the north. She doesn't really have anywhere to stay around. I want her to stay with us, while she, secure her own apartment.
Distant cousin?
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. She can come. You're the head of this family. Have the final say.
She will not stay long, just like 2 weeks.
How long?
Or thereabouts.
2 weeks. She can come. Is that why you do like
this? You. So, what's up?
Let's go in for the night, he says.
Jeez.
Come on, girl. Respect your dignity. It's just a common get man. You don't need this. But you think you need this? No. What? Of course you know you can get whatever you need at your beck and call, so you don't need this. Come on. Oma!
Ma?
Oma!
Ma? Ma?
Take this money. I need some fresh fish and some other things. You
Yes,
have the
ma.
list with you. You know what to get.
Okay, ma.
Be fast about it, okay?
Where did they go?
I want to rush to the market. I want to buy some things for madam.
Go fast, oh.
Godwin?
Madam!
Come around. See me inside.
Inside the house.
Inside the house.
Okay, ma.
Maybe this is my fate. Just know I'm gonna change it. I will never.
Mama! No, wait, how are you?
This is why you're rushing. Where are you going to?
I have to get home now. I went to the market and then the traffic held me. As it is now, my life is at risk.
Hey, why?
My madam,
Your madam?
Yes. I have to get her as it is now. She's at home waiting for me and I know what I'm going to face at home.
Oh, ma. She would have told you to leave your mother and come and stay with me and my mom.
No, I cannot do that too.
Why?
You will not understand, but
Hey.
I have to get home now. You
You're
understand?
not killing yourself.
I have to get home. Yeah, bye bye.
Hey, bye-bye.
Thank
I'll
you.
come and see you later.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Me and this some madam. I pity you. I don't want to come and stay with me and my mom.
Will my dream ever come true?
Yes, who is it?
Madam, it's me, oh.
You can come. Godwin, you can come in. Come in.
Madam, you called me.
Yes, I did. You're welcome.
Yes,
Godwin, I have a business for you. A business proposal for you. And you will like it.
But madam, that business you no go come up me for my get man work.
Not at all. Rather, it's gonna pay you more. It is going to pay you.
I like that one.
In fact, it's going to solidify your stand on the game.
Oh, that one's sweet. I like it.
Really?
Yeah.
Come closer.
Eh?
Come close, come to the bed.
How come to your bed now? Talk, I dey hear you.
Just come to the bed, I want to tell you something. You will like it, I promise you. Come.
No, madam, I'm not going to come that place.
No, just come now. Okay, sit. Come on. Don't be scared.
Let me sit down here.
Baby, after a series of thought, I made up my mind. You will join me in my house.
In your house?
Sure.
What about your wife?
My wife? Forget her, she would not suspect anything. I'll put on disguise.
Are you serious?
Sure. See, I love you and I want to prove it to you. I really love you. And you know it.
Of course. I love you too.
So you get prepared, I will take you to my house personally.
Alright.
Hope you're happy.
Of course I am.
You sure you're happy?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, this is exactly what I'm looking for. I think everything is falling in my mind. Very soon. That's why.
Are you okay? You seem to be lost.
I was just thinking about my allowance. We're gonna increase it.
Oh, are you aware that you are Mrs. Nduka in view?
You can say that again.
Huh? Come on. See, let me tell you something. What Nduka has, everything about Nduka, you have them. You can't be my wife and you begin to talk of allowance. You know that.
Okay, baby. So, see you.
That's my angel. Ruth, this one isn't to be kicking. That is Ndoka Jr.
Of course.
You know that.
Of course I do.
Okay, where do we go to? Have some fun. Just choose a place of your choice.
The bank.
The bank? Women, you won't kill me. You won't kill me. Is that the thing you gotta do things? Go on, everything.
Where are you coming from?
Mama,
She got from the market. I said, where are you coming from?
Mama, from the market.
Jimmy will spend 2 good hours at the market.
Mama, don't stop thinking my watch.
The market will lose just 20 minutes.
I'm sorry, Mama.
Yeah, to the kitchen.
This madam go kill somebody picking for this house. Oh. I don't know why this woman just beat this girl every time. Eh? Wait, oh. Now like these people, they hate other people picking. Eh? If I say... Anyway, no be my business. If you say na my business, if that girl say na my sister, what thing I go do this woman for this house? You go know say na me be Godwin, the security officer of this house. They take me, they play for this house. I will show you people. See her face.
It's all I'm asking. It's all I am asking. Will my dream ever come true? Will my dream? Ooh, will my dream ever come true? Will my dream? Oh, it's all I am asking, girl. It's all I am asking. Will my dream ever come true? Will my dream? Maybe this is my fate. Just know I'm gonna change it. I will never accept defeat. Oh, no. That's why I'm asking God. Will my dreams ever come true? That's why I'm asking God. Will my dreams ever come true? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. Will my dream ever come true? Will my dream? Will my dream ever come true? Will my dream? It's all I'm asking.
I had a hectic day in the office today.
I know. Sorry, darling.
Don't worry about it. It's all about business.
Business.
Mega business coming my way.
So long money is coming.
Sure. Sweetheart, this is very yummy. Very sweet.
Yeah, I got it from the right source.
Really?
Yes.
Hope it's still left in the fridge.
Enough.
I want to have it tomorrow evening.
Really? Right.
What?
I can actually...
What? I have not noticed Emma's presence. Where is she?
She's in her room. She's actually sick.
What did you say sick? So what is wrong with her?
I don't know. How do you expect me to know?
For God's sake, she's a maid. You should know what is wrong with her.
So she's my maid. That's why I don't need to know what is wrong with her. Yes. Yes. And if you want to know what is wrong with her, you can go to her room and check up on her.
It's okay.
I don't know. What is it?
I didn't say it to get you upset, okay? Come on. Come on, darling. Give me a smile. A smile.
Please allow me to enjoy myself. If you really want to know what is wrong with her, you can go to her room and check up.
I didn't say it to keep you upset, okay? Come on, give me a smile. A better one. A bigger smile. I love you, Jude. You took a bigger portion of that.
Oh, okay, sorry. Sorry. You took it.
I can't get it. She has problem. Yeah, I saw these people that day. One of those people that were going to school in that time.
Okay,
yes. They're not living a good life now.
God has blessed them.
God has blessed them.
It's not like us.
No, don't worry, our time will come very soon.
I pray so.
Very soon. So, what of your mom?
She's fine. She doesn't ask if she's fine.
I wish I could.
Wonderful. Hello, your good afternoon. You brought in an ant-infested human being into my edifice, into my mansion. What is wrong with you?
I'm sorry, ma.
Oh my goodness. So you want my mansion to go into my refrigerator? You brought out my expensive bottle to give to your low-life friend, right?
I'm sorry, ma.
It's
not happening again, ma.
Okay. What am I seeing here? My mug? My imported mug! So you have the audacity, the effrontery to open my shelf and brought out my expensive mug to serve your riff-raff friend, right? Oh really? Wonderful. You've grown wings.
No, ma.
You've grown wings. I gave her. You took her arm's length. No problem. What are you doing here? What are you doing here? Idiot of your type. Nonsense. Daughter of a pauper. Coming to enjoy in a mansion that your mother and your father has never dreamed of having. Idiot. Let me find you in my house again. You're sorry.
I'm sorry.
You're sorry.
It will happen again.
Yes, it will not happen again. I know it will not happen again. It will never happen again. It will not happen again. Yes. Drink the water you so desire. Drink the water you so desire to drink. No sense. having a mind to go into my refrigerator to take things for yourself.
Will my dream ever come true? Will my dream ever come true? It's all I'm asking. It's all I'm asking.
Sweetness, my love. Remember the conference I told you about? It's scheduled for this weekend.
So what about it?
I'll be leaving for Abuja for the conference by this weekend.
And you seem to have forgotten that my cousin's sister is coming this weekend.
Oh my goodness, I remember. But I promise I'm going to make everything available for her so that she can be comfortable. Okay? Before leaving. Is that okay by you? Sweetness.
It's okay. Anything for you.
Okay, thank you, darling.
You're free. So, that's good. That's good. Would you want to go by flight or road?
Abba, by flight, honey. You know that.
Is that all?
Tell me you're not going to be available on that day.
I support your movement, baby.
But you're not going
It's okay. I'll transfer 500,000 naira for your welfare. How about that?
Not enough.
See that? How long are you staying over? You want to stay 1 week?
2 weeks.
What?
More. 2 days.
It's okay there. Before you leave, I will make transfer, okay?
Okay, darling.
That's good.
That's why you're my love. That's why you're my sweetness. That's why you're my heartbeat. That's why you're my addiction.
And you know I love you too.
Madam. Take care of yourself, boy. You know I got you.
Yeah, madam.
How about traveling?
But
I will see you when I return. Come here. Come on. Come right here. Right here. Madam. Are you scared? So sweet. He's such a sweet boy. Come here. Now I got you. You're so sweet. Such a sweet boy. Okay? Now take my box into the car. Oh, come.
Eh?
Come.
Hey, madam.
Come. Madam, no one is around. Come on.
Yeah, good morning, Norma. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
You are doing your house jobs, right?
Yes. Yes.
That's cool.
Sir, I hope there's no problem.
Continue what you're doing.
This man is at the gate looking for you. He's saying they work for estate management board.
I'm the real estate management officer, right?
Okay. He's at the gate.
Let me see.
Come on. How are you? Okay, let us go.
Oma.
Good afternoon, sir.
Oma. Afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Oh.
How is your day?
Oh, you see me now.
Sir, I brought your food.
You brought my food?
Yes.
Now my food be here?
Yes.
What do you cook?
Sir, rice.
Rice?
Yes, sir.
I know you.
Yes, I packaged you very well.
Oma.
Yes. Sir, enjoy yourself.
Yes.
Yes,
Thank you.
yes, sir.
hold it. Let me do justice to that drum.
Okay, welcome, sir.
Yeah, boy. Oh.
Thank you.
That is my humble abode. You love it?
Yeah, I love it.
You love it.
Yeah.
And you? Yeah, you have it.
Hey.
So bring it up. Becky. What can I do without you? Huh?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Yeah.
Absolutely nothing.
Yes.
Baby, once again, you're welcome to my little humble abode.
Thank you.
Oma! My husky. Oma!
Sir. Good evening. Welcome, sir.
How are you?
Fine, sir.
Where's your auntie?
She's not back yet, sir.
Oh, she went out.
Yes.
It's okay.
I'm fine at the moment. Is there something that I can do?
Oh, sure. Oma, I dish out some good food and dine while I wash her hand.
Okay, sir.
So, oh my God! Baby girl!
Sweetheart.
Freshen up first, okay?
Oh, thank you, darling.
Baby.
You can say that again.
I wish you know the way. You would have gone. I can't just stop admiring this outfit.
Thank you.
I feel like starting from here.
I need to freshen up.
Hi, that's my baby girl. Hope you're making yourself comfortable.
Of course I am.
Yeah.
So, can I join you?
Of course.
You know we asked today how we need to make meal for us. But I would like to have a good one before we go for that meal. What do you think?
Naughty you.
How about it?
Jump to. Who's there?
Auntie, I'm the one. The food is ready.
Alright, I'll be there in the next 5 minutes.
Okay, ma.
Just imagine. This girl just wants to ruin my small happiness now before this meal. Do you know why I decided on my dish this food in one plate for us?
No.
Number one, I want to be sure that we don't have different tastes from this food. Number two,
Okay.
for love.
Wow. That's nice. You're so sweet.
You too, honey.
Wow.
Wow.
So it's so tasty.
Oh, tasty, you said. Oma is a very good cook, despite her age.
Honestly speaking, can't wait to have one. Oma! Oma!
Ma. Ma.
This food is so tasty. You're such a nice cook.
Thank you, ma.
I'm enjoying my meal.
Thank you, ma.
You're welcome.
Oh, my small but mighty.
Can say that again. So sweet. I'm going to eat all, but I'm going to eat everything. Thank you. And you are?
Actually, I'm a distant cousin, but you don't need to worry. I'm already looking for an apartment until this time I'll be up.
Oh, I see. I remember you told me about you. Yeah. You're welcome. Feel at home. I hope you've had something to eat.
Oh, of course I have.
You sure? Alright. Godwin.
Madam.
Take my bags upstairs. Alright, make sure you take care of yourself. Thank you. Whatever you need, don't hesitate to tell me, okay?
Excuse me, Auntie.
Quite a skills.
You remember the inspection I told you about?
Yeah.
Okay, I want to go check on the project. See you.
What is it?
Oma! Oma! You will kill me in this house.
Ma.
What is this? I mean, what is this? Where on earth have you ever seen someone serving an apple together with groundnuts?
Ma, I just decided to.
You just decided in my own house?
Honey, please, you have to understand that Oma is still preparing dinner.
Oh, your dinner there!
Brother, this is just an appetizer. At least after this, we wait for the dinner. So why complain?
Just hold on there. And to think of it all, the apple is not well sliced and there's nothing to pick the apple to eat if only we wish to eat. Can you imagine?
I'm sorry.
Baby, she's sorry.
I'm sorry, ma. It was
You're sorry!
I'm sorry, ma. I'm sorry.
Fool! Come on! Give me that very this minute!
Yes.
Excuse me.
Just a minute. Have you seen the reason why this woman must have to leave? Why are you coming?
You're right.
Just imagine. Height of wickedness. Just imagine. And she doesn't know this girl can poison her.
She doesn't know that.
Oh, listen. I can see.
Please, let's. She doesn't want to take this, huh? Come on. Go ahead. You don't seem happy, baby.
I am.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am.
You should be happy. I love this song.
Will my dream ever come true? Will my dream? Will my dream ever come true? Will my dream? It's all I'm asking. It's all I'm asking.
Yeah, the morning you're eating.
Yes.
That's good. Go to my room. I have some pretty clothes there. Take them to Godwin. Tell him I said he should immediately take the clothes to the laundry.
Okay, sir.
Alright, be fast.
My virginity. Who did this to me? Mama! My virginity! Who did this to me? Mama, where are you? I have been defiled. I have been defiled. Who did this to me? Who did this to me? Whoever did this to me, come I will catch up with you. Wherever you are. Mama, where are you? I've been defiled. My virginity. Come I must catch up with you. Come I will catch up with you wherever you are.
This morning you are here this early.
Yeah, I'm waiting for the breakfast to be ready. You're dressed for work.
Yes.
But you have to wait for breakfast.
No. Look at the time. I'm running late. And moreover, someone is waiting for me in the office.
Sure.
Yes.
Make sure you have something to eat.
Sure, I will.
Don't keep yourself hungry.
You know I wouldn't.
I love you.
Love you more. You gotta take care of the house.
Oh, please wait.
What is it?
Uncle, please can I join you on your ride? That's a good morning. Morning, darling.
Well, I remember you told me you have an appointment to catch up with today.
Yes.
It's okay. Join me. Let's go. Sura,
take care of yourself.
Yes, I will.
You didn't have your breakfast also.
Yes, I will later.
Please try and do something, okay? Oma, please! Oma! Is the breakfast not ready?
Godwin!
Madam!
Godwin!
Madam! Why should they call me like that?
Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah, madam.
for making me feel like a real woman. You're so sweet and selfless.
I like it.
I have something for you.
Eh?
Of course. Close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes. Here!
Madam,
I don't count money to give to people.
money.
Yeah.
What is one for me?
Of course, you're set to buy pants. White. Pants, you know I love white. Sparkling.
Thank you. Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Sparkling. White.
White. Sparkling.
Yeah.
I go buy dozen. Dozen, I go buy, madam.
You look sweet.
Thank you.
No problem. Oh my goodness, this guy is so sweet. This guy is so sweet. I can't wait to have him back again.
Come on, sweetheart. You are looking haggard and sullen. You're not happy. What is it?
Am I supposed to be happy? Tell me.
Oh, come on, sweetheart. But I have doubled your allowance. What are we talking about?
And who said this about allowance? You told me you were going to send your wife packing. And she's still there.
Oh, that? Come on, patience. Patience, my dear. Definitely she will go, okay?
I am carrying your child. I'm carrying your child here.
Do you know you even look more beautiful when you're happy? Come on, give me a smile. You see, like I said, patience, okay? If you rush her out of the house, your life might be in danger. You know, you women, so we take things diplomatically, okay?
Actions. Actions, please.
Yes, actions. That action I will take, but patience, okay? Come on, give your baby a smile. Let that smile come. Come on. Not only the smile come to baby. Come on, come.
I'm not going to take this.
Come on! Woo!
Why are you sleeping on my couch and you're telling me sorry?
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
You're sorry.
It never happen again, ma'am. Sorry.
And what is wrong with you?
Ma, I think I have malaria, ma.
Malaria?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure it's malaria. Taking you to the hospital right now. Doctor, please, what is really wrong with her?
Congratulations, your sister is pregnant. Yes, she is pregnant.
It's okay, doctor.
Well,
thank you so much. Amma, let's go. Let's go home now. Let's go. Let's go. behave. Stand here now. Oma! You are an ingrate. I clothe you, I feed you, I give you everything you need as a young girl. Yet what did you do? You pay me back by getting pregnant. You are pregnant. Now tell me, who is responsible for this thing? Who is responsible?
I don't know. I don't know. Since the day I was born, no man has ever seen my nakedness. I swear.
Shut up. Shut up. No man has ever seen your nakedness. I fooled Virgin Mary. Oh, Virgin Oma. Since you're done and you do not know who is responsible for your pregnancy, now go in there, pack all your racks and leave. What I asked you to do. Leave my house. You fool. Rubbish. Don't waste my time, oh! Don't waste my time. You have to leave my house this minute. It's rubbish. What is she still doing in my house? Am I not talking to you? Bastard! Let me have the photograph. Let me have it. Quiet! Let me have it. Oh my God. Where did you get this from?
It belongs to my mother. I did not steal it from you, I swear.
all I am asking. It's all I am asking. Oh, oh, oh. Will my dream ever come true? Will my dream? Ooh, will my dream ever come true? Will my dream? Oh, it's all I am asking, girl. It's all I am asking. Will my dream ever come true? Will my dream? Maybe this is my fate. Just know I'm gonna change it. I will never accept defeat. Oh, no. Oh, no, no. That's why I'm asking God, will my dreams ever come true? That's why I'm asking God, oh, yeah. Will my dreams ever come true? Oh yeah. Ah yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Will my dream ever come true? Will my dream? Will my dream ever come true? Will my dream? It's all I'm asking. It's all I am asking. Oh, oh, oh. Will my
Oma. Oh my God. Oma! Oh my God! Oma! My instincts never go wrong after all.
You bitch! How dare you? How dare you stop her?
What? You didn't rest your filthy hands on me because of this bitch!
If you try it again, do you realize she's carrying my baby?
Carrying your baby? You impotent! You think you can still father your child? I love you.
Look at you. Look at
I
you.
will let you wallow in your own shame. And for you, get out of this spot!
I hope she didn't hurt you. Oh, this what? Oh, I'm sorry. She just exercised her madness. You see what I've been talking to you about? Oh, but it's all okay. Okay. So, wait. You can we go for a little checkup?
No, don't worry, I'll be fine.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Sure you'll be fine?
Of course I will.
When I think of what I'm going through, it seems I'm losing all my hopes. Yeah. I wonder if this is my fate. Oh no. I keep on asking the mighty God. Oh yeah. Will this my dream ever come true? Will this my dream ever come true? Will my dream ever come true? Will my dream ever come true? It's all I'm asking. It's all I'm asking. Oh. Will my dream ever come true? Will my dream ever come true? Will my dream? Oh. I'm asking, will my dream ever come true? Maybe this is my fate, just know I'm gonna change it. I will never accept defeat. Oh, no. Oh, no, no. That's why I'm asking God, will my dreams ever come true? That's why I'm asking God, oh, yeah. Will my dreams ever come true? Oh yeah. Ah yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Will my dream ever come true? Will my dream ever come true? It's all I'm asking. It's all I'm asking. Oh, oh, oh. Will my dream ever
No!
Please!
No!
Please, I beg you. Don't do this to me. Let's go home together, I beg you. Please forgive me. Please, I beg you, forgive me. Forgive me. Don't do this to me. Don't leave me. Don't leave me, Oma, please. Oma, please don't leave me. I promise to love and care for you. I promise. I promise, please. I promise, I promise. I promise. I promise. Please, I beg you. I beg you, please. Don't let me go. Please, I beg you. Let's go. No. I won't hurt you anymore.
No.
I won't hurt you anymore. I will not. I will not. Please. I will not. My child, I will not. I will not. It's okay. Please. Let's hold them up. I'll give them all to you. I promise to make you happy. Please. I promise. I promise, don't worry. I'll make you happy, okay? I promise. I'll never treat you bad anymore. I'll never lay my hands on you. Okay? Please, let's go. Let's go home. I promise. I'll treat you. Let's go. Let's go. Let's just go home together. I'm truly sorry. I'm sorry from the bottom of my heart. I'm sorry for what I made you go through. You are my daughter.
What? You are truly wicked. I hate you. So you're sorry now because you found out that I'm your biological daughter. What if I was a stranger? You would have left me out there for the monsters to be young, for them to take advantage of me. I hate you.
I deserve every word you said to me.
Oh, please. One more word, I will bust your brain. Please, now, baby. I said you.
What has come over you? Please. Please, now, baby. Please. Please, happy. Please, happy.
What a messed up family. I'm disgusted. What? I said keep quiet. Look at you. You aren't fit to be a mother. What? And you drugged and raped your biological daughter.
Will my dream ever come true? Will my dream ever come true? It's all I'm asking. It's all I'm asking.
Yeah, in the morning you're eating.
Yes.
That's good. Go to my room. I have some pretty clothes there. Take them to Godwin. Tell him I said he should immediately take the clothes to the laundry.
Okay.
Alright. Be fast.
virginity. Who did this to me? Mama! My virginity! Who did this to me? Mama, where are you? I've been default. I've been defied. Who did this to me? Who did this to me? Whoever did this to me, come on, will catch up with you. Wherever you are. Mama, where are you? I've been defied. My virginity. Come on, must catch up with you. Come on, we catch up with you wherever you are.
Please. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. What have I gotten myself into? What have I gotten myself into?
You did what?
I'm sorry.
Please, can you let me this gone? Let me end this! It is not yet his time. Kama is indeed a witch. His time will come.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Don't tell me you are sorry.
I'm sorry.
Don't touch me! Don't touch me. So you were the person that actually raped me!
If you talk now, I will use this now and scatter your head. Do, which is the way. Open and do and
It shall never be well with you. You will never have peace in your life. You will never have peace in your life. You will beg for child you will not see. You will never hear the cry of a child. Whosoever that did this to me, it shall never be well with you. I curse you today. It shall never be well with you. You will never have a child in your life. Whosoever that did this to me, come and we catch up with you.
You deserve to die. How heartless and cruel you are. How wicked you are. You're not a human. You are an animal in a human form. I detest. Listen, you deserve to die. I'm sorry. You deserve to die.
What have I gotten myself into? What have I gotten myself into? I'm sorry.
Let's leave this house for you.
When I think of what I'm going through, it seems I'm losing all my hopes. Yeah. I wonder if this is my fate. Oh no, no, no. I keep on asking the mighty God. Oh yeah. Will this my dream ever come true? Will this my dream ever